Hello and welcome to Virtual Open House. I'm Mrs. Van Scherpenstiel, your child's first grade teacher. While this video may be lengthy, it is filled with important info. To begin, I thought I'd tell you a little about myself. I was born right here in Savannah, and I'm also a product of Savannah Chatham Public Schools. I graduated from Armstrong with my bachelor's in early childhood and began teaching at Largo in 2013. I was proud to represent Largo as Teacher of the Year for the 2019-2020 school year. I have a sweet puppy named Ellie that you are sure to hear a lot about. There are several ways to get in touch with me, but Class Dojo and email are the best ways. I'll be reaching out to make sure that you're all able to connect with me on Class Dojo. Until then, the email listed is a great way to get in touch with me. I've also included the school phone number and the extension to my classroom. There's also some office hours listed in blue. Those are definitely subject to change, so please be flexible, and I'll of course update you along the way. I've included the names of important office staff, but Miss Lily Russ is by far the contact you will need most. She's our family engagement facilitator and will always be available to assist parents in any way that she can. Her email and phone number with her extension are included with the arrow. Follow Largo on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The handles are listed right there. For the latest information, you might even win a home library. The first grade team is truly a family, so don't be surprised if you hear the voices or see the faces of many other first grade teachers along this virtual journey, and hopefully even when we go back face to face. It's Learning is a district-wide virtual learning platform, and it's going to take the place of Google Classroom, which most of us used last marking period. Each student will have their own individual login, while assignments and announcements will be listed. It promotes positive communication between parents and students. Students receive automatic feedback. The teacher can provide engaging lessons, and the parents are also able to monitor student progress. Attendance is going to be taken daily by the login to It's Learning. So each day your child will need to log on to It's Learning, and that's how attendance will be taken. This is going to be really, really important for the first 10 days for certain, but it's also going to be important every day after to be sure that your child is accounted for each day. Completed assignments are required. This is different than the last marking period of last year, where it was optional. These assignments are required and will be taken as grades, so we want to make sure that we stay on top of that. There will also be some daily live teacher meetings for engaging in interactive lessons. Students are expected to participate in about an hour and a half of screen time for live lessons with their teacher or with me. But they will also need to have some additional time to complete assignments, so I would suggest creating a quiet, calm place within your home for them to go to every day for school. There will also be some small group enrichment and remediation provided, and there's also going to be some time set aside for specials and creative play. More details are to come. Speaking of specials, here's a list of our different special area classes and the teachers. So PE, music, Spanish, and art. Largo is entering into our 4th year as a Leader in Me school. Here's a quick video that highlights the main points of the program.
This is me. I'm going to see my teacher, Miss C. She's so great. She teaches me a lot of good stuff. She taught me that everything I do starts with me. I'm in charge. She taught me to have a plan and make sure I do all my work before I play. I also learned how to play well with others. I try to remember that everyone can win. And I listen before I talk. What if every child had the same opportunity? The opportunity to develop the essential life skills and characteristics students need to thrive in the 21st century. The Leader in Me process provides the teacher experience and classroom implementation tools to put your school on the path to greatness. As you integrate timeless principles into your school's core curriculum and language, you'll build students' self-confidence, reduce discipline referrals, and increase academic achievement. Find out more at theleaderinme.org. Great happens here.
Within this program, students are encouraged to use the 7 habits within their daily school and home lives, as well as create and monitor their personal goals. Our positive behavior plan, students are going to earn their points through Class Dojo. Like I said, we'll get everybody connected so that parents and students can see what that's all about. Points will be earned by joining live lessons, following live lesson rules and procedures, completing and submitting assignments, and reading at home, and I'm sure other things along the way. Points can be redeemed for rewards such as virtual show and tell, themed dress-up lessons, choice of directed drawings, Go Noodle brain breaks, and other things. There will be many more details of this behavior plan to come. As far as technology, if you need a device, if you've discovered over the last few weeks that maybe what you have is not working properly, or you just haven't had a chance to contact the school, please contact me as soon as you possibly can. You can call the school, you can email me using the information I already gave you, but within that, please mention the student's full name, parent's full name, parent's contact number, and whether you do or do not have internet access. Internet is available through community partners and Wi-Fi buses throughout the district. This will be something new, so you can learn more about that on the district website, or you can reach out to Ms. Russ, our parent facilitator, using the email I've listed there for some more information. As a team, we will get through this challenging start to the year. Please keep in mind that all info given in this video is subject to change as 2020 continues to throw curveballs. Your flexibility and patience will be much appreciated. I look forward to the possibility of meeting you all in person in the near future. See you soon.